This is the story of a famous Hollywood actor, Adam, who had everything that people dream of. Lavish homes, expensive cars, worldwide fame, and millions of fans. But in spite of all this, there was a strange emptiness in his heart. When the cameras were off and he was alone, he would feel that something very important was missing in life. One day, he had to go to another country in connection with the shooting of a movie. Adam saw that the young man looked very calm and satisfied. There was a strange light and confidence on his face. Curious, Adam asked her, "How are you always so calm?" The young man smiled and said, "For I know that my Lord is with me." The answer came to Adam's heart. At the end of the journey, the young man gave him a translation of the Quran and said, "If you ever want to find answers to life's questions, read them." Adam initially started reading the Quran out of curiosity, but as he progressed, he began to feel that this book forces people to think. He began to learn new things about life, purpose, humanity, and morality. He spent the night studying and researching different religions. Time passed and his interest grew. One day he visited a mosque. There he saw people of different nations and languages praying together. No one was rich, no one was poor. Someone big, someone small. Everyone was standing in a row. This scene was surprising to him. He realized that Islam is not only the name of worship, but also a message of equality, love and respect among human beings. Adam's life changed. He wasn't just thinking about fame and wealth. He helped people. He began to participate in charitable activities. I felt a positive change within me. The things he enjoyed before were no longer so important. He realized that real comfort lies within the human heart, not in a bank account or reputation. He continued to seek the truth and met with various scholars. His knowledge increased after each meeting. Eventually, he realized that the real purpose of life is not only to achieve success, but also to become a good person. Friends, this is a fictional story, but the message of this story is very real. Despite all the success in the world, if the heart is restless, man cannot be happy. And when a man turns to the truth, to good conduct, and to his Lord, a new light is created in his life. If you like this story, like the video, subscribe to the channel and be sure to tell your opinion in the comments. God bless.